Hello everyone, hope you all are doing perfect. My name is Neda Ali Akbari. I'm from Iran and I'm an English teacher. It's a pleasure to meet you all.
My name is Mary. I'm a teacher from Ukraine, and I would like to ask you, what was the best thing that happened to you during the week?
Hello everyone, can you see me and hear me well? If yes, please put a plus on the chat. My name is Julia. I'm in Russia now. I'm the teacher of English and Russian as a foreign language also. I'm very pleased to communicate with you, but I want you to answer my questions.
My name is Sean. I'm a teacher at Abhishek Coaching. Okay, I teach public speaking and grammar. Let's start with Alex.
It's sunny out.